Oh yeah. Hey, Paulie, I got a good one. Alright guys, what's happening? So, here I am, I'm in my bar room. We've already shot this video, we've already fished, we've already done everything. But I didn't record an intro. So, I gotta introduce the video, guys. You guys are really gonna like this video, just letting you guys know. It was a grind, but I gotta tell you what, Paul from F.A.R Outdoors and myself, we got it done. Stay tuned, guys. You guys are gonna dig this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give me a like on this and leave me a comment. Let me know of any kind of new ideas or anything you guys want to see me do, whether it's a specific lure you want me to fish or whatever. And stay tuned, guys. We'll probably have another giveaway coming up once I get around 700 subscribers. All right, stay tuned. You guys are gonna dig it. All right, guys, we're at the spot. We started off top water. We sucked at it. I got one blow up, that was it. I'm gonna start off rattle trap over here, which I quickly suspect will go to Texas rigging and jigging. So I've got a jig tied on, rattle trap, Texas rig, and a little small deep diver. It dives about 8 feet. See how far the water level's up?
Yeah, it's way up because we were walking out by there.
Mm-hmm. I'm spot fishing this bass with a rattle trap, guys. There's like 4 of them over here. Like 4 bass right over here. I'm not gonna let Paul know. There's like 4 bass right over here. Rattle trap didn't work. Just got it. Knew he had it. There we go. Yeah, baby. Just get your worm and get over here. Oh no! You. Trust me, we haven't caught a whole lot today, so. Yeah, lost a bunch. Yeah, I haven't seen them back over here, but there was like a little wolf pack, dude.
What'd you put on?
All the same size. I just switched to a lizard. I caught that one. I had both bites on a jig, but I was spot fishing for them. Literally watching me just past this grass point. You'll see them, you know. It's not a good day when you've lost more than you've caught. Oh, there we go. Little guy. Little guy. Barely caught him hit. All right, guys. Fish number 2. Lost. How many have I lost? 3?
Yep.
Oh. All right, guys, we're back. Fish number 2. Caught 2, lost 3. It's not been a real great day. It's amateur hour over here. Okay, guys. Trying to work this out. Ah, I turned away from it. Oh, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it. Watch out.
Nice.
Heck yeah. I was about to smack you with my rod.
No, I got out the way.
Every one except for one I've spot fished. That's crazy. Oh, there we go, guys. Just walking along, see one, stuck them. Summertime fishing is weird. Hey, Paulie. Paul. Patience. There's 2 more. 2. There you go, guys. I saw a school of bait and I watched them tracking them. There's 2 more. See the school of bait? They're right up on the school of bait right over there. I'm trying to see them, but there's a school of bait right there in the shadows off the grass. You got him? There you go, baby. Yeah, there you go. Good hook set. Get him in. Get him in, baby. Yes, sir. Tell me, bro. They're here. Still. Look how clear that water is. Oh yeah. Hey, Paulie, I got a good one. Oh yeah. Oh. Woo. Guys, hey, I got about a 6, bro. On a jig, guys. Tell you what, this Atlas late afternoon bite is really hitting it. It is really, really hitting it. All right, not 6. Definitely 5. Definitely 5, guys. Yes. Stout fish.
Oh yeah.
All right, 5.3. There we go. All right, guys, so 5 pounds, 3 ounces. Well, I think 28th, 29th 5-pounder plus of the year. It has been a grind today. The bite has actually just started to pick up. Paul just caught a nice one, a 4.2. And here's my 5.3, guys. Absolute tank. And that battle, and he just pooped on me, look. that battle was absolutely epic, for real. It was epic. Right down here in the roots on a jig. That's how you do it, guys. Ooh, smashed it. Smashed it.
I didn't hear it.
I was yelling for you.
I didn't hear it. I just thought it was leaving.
She knows. That is a tank, bro. All right, guys. I'll try and pop one more before we call it a day. That was a giant. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, another big one. Another big one. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, big, 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 big. Oh, oh. Holy God. That's got to be a 6. He wrecked me. That is a big one.
Ooh, jacked his side up.
God, he pounded it. Upper 5s. Longer than the last one. $5.15 first weight. That's gotta be a 6. $5.15. Come on, baby. Get up there. Yeah! Oh! Oh, it hit 6 then hell, 5.15. 5.15, all right. All right, guys. Big, big summer bass. 5 pounds, 15 ounces. It's an absolute brute. I had it on the jig first. I'm pretty sure it was the same fish. I didn't get a good hook set on it. Switched our presentations to the 13 Fishing Lizzie, and she absolutely slammed it, guys. Guys, this is a huge summer bass, honestly. We are pulling them out of these roots here. Not to mention that, guys, but it's like noon, and they're slamming it right now. I don't know. You guys, hey, write down in the comments if you guys have any explanation for this. 90 plus degrees out, and they're slamming it. Let's get her back. Oh, absolute tank. Oh, she's ready. I had to shake her like twice.
That's gonna be a 6.
So that's a 6. That might be a 6. Careful, there you go. Yes, they're here, dude. That is huge. Paulie, that is huge. That's a 6. That is a 6 all day, bro.
I don't go the same as yours, dude.
I don't know. That's big, dude. They're right here. Maybe I should start fishing again. That is huge.
Crap, football.
That is huge, dude. Oh my gosh. I missed the hook set, but I got the fight, bro.
It's all right.
Oh yeah. Hey, Paulie, I got a good one. Oh yeah. Oh. So 5 pounds, 3 ounces. Well, I think 28th, 29th 5 pounder plus of the year. It has been a grind today. The bite has actually just started to pick up. Paul just caught a nice one, a 4.2. And here's my 5.3, guys. Absolute tank. And that battle, and he just pooped on me. Look. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Bar Talk. Here with Paul from F.A.R Outdoors. Just crushed it. Cheers, dude. Hey, that was an epic day of fishing, guys. We literally had, I don't know, we were doing awful in the beginning. I mean, awful. I lost like a 4.5 pounder. We couldn't get a bite. I lost like my first 3 fish. Paul broke off. Everything was just going to crap. And then we just stayed with it. We were spot fishing fish most of the day. And then we got over to these roots and we absolutely just hammered them. I think I caught a 5.2 or a 5.3 and then a 5.15. And Paul, what was yours?
It was a 5.6.
Yeah, Paul's was a 5.6 and
4.
it was like, yeah, it was like a 4.2. So I mean, it turned out to be an actual epic day of fishing, guys. You know, I had to let Paul sneak into a spot, you know, that I was catching the big ones out of. And what's funny is that we even saw 2 more huge fish come up at the end and we just couldn't get them to bite. But anyway, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Keep on fishing. You know what? Cheers. Until next time, guys.